Hello everyone, welcome back to the Ninja One YouTube channel. I wanted to give you an update on the Racetrack Fairings and let you know that I got winglets for it. I had the winglets put on the stock fairings. Man, did they look great. So I went ahead and bought another set, but I wanted you to get a closer look at where I am on the progress of the Racetrack fairings. So you can see I got the headlight and the vinyl stickers on there, no bubbles, and we got those winglets on there. Let me show you the bottom side. I went ahead and painted those on the bottom. I sanded them down, primed them, and painted them. So it worked out pretty good. The little bit of dripping you see there on the underside is a result of their overspray of the clear coat, and then of course there was primer overspray and paint overspray. So you could kind of see that on an angle on the nose part here. If you were standing like right here, you could see it. So I went ahead and painted it. It was no big deal. I had paint already. I just taped it off and then cleaned off any bleeds with rubbing alcohol and a microfiber, and it turned out really good. So I really didn't have to do any modification to it. All I really needed to do was just kind of determine where it's going to line up, because there are no holes on these Armour bodies, Racetrack Fairings that I had painted. There was a lot of, patience and lining things up, and I think I did a pretty good job. On this particular setup here, I did have to put a little bit of vinyl tape in this corner, right back here in this corner, up against the wing and the fairing here, because it is just rubbing just a little bit, not much. And this side was okay. I didn't have to do it, but it was close. So that worked out pretty good. You can't complain. I mean, this is about as accurate as you can get for remanufactured fairings. So I just think this is awesome. The only thing I have to do is put it on the bike and then set up the stickers. Okay, so let me show you what the street fairings look like with the winglet on there. Stand by. All right, here are the winglets on the street fairings. Now, these lined up a lot better, okay? They did touch a little bit over here in this area. And again, I put clear vinyl there and again over here. But other than that, they look awesome. And I got the light set up here so we can see the underside. And I painted these too. These turned out really good. So if you like what I got here, you can get them at Amazon. They're $66. Like I said, the finish on it was perfect. I mean, you do have to do a little bit of buffing, and there is a little bit of residue from the tape during shipping, and you can't see it now because I buffed it out. But just be aware, on the edge here on this particular one, upstairs on the Racetrack fairings, there was a little detent there. I had to kind of sand that down with 3000 and then buff it and then wax it. But other than that, this is a really, really good setup. I like how it looks, and can't wait to test it out on the street and the track here. Just waiting for a break in the weather and some free time. But thanks again for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the series so far. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them right there below. I'll be sure to answer them. And I appreciate everybody tuning in today. So have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon.